Hey folks, today I'm going to show you how to get podcasting with your RØDECaster Pro in just 6 easy steps. Now, your RØDECaster Pro will come with most of the things you will need to record your podcast, but you will also need a few more things. The power cable that comes with the RØDECaster Pro, a good quality microphone, a mic stand, an XLR cable, a pair of headphones, and a micro SD card. So now that we have all of that sorted, step 1.
Plug everything in!
The power cable is plugged into the power brick with the right adapter for your region. The power brick is plugged into the RØDECaster Pro and fastened. The mic is attached to the mic stand. The XLR cable is connected from the mic to channel 1 on the RØDECaster Pro. Headphones are plugged into the front of the RØDECaster Pro. The micro SD card is inserted into the back of the RØDECaster Pro. And the mic is positioned close to your mouth. Easy. Step 2.
Power up!
Turn on your RØDECaster Pro with the red button on the back. Step 3.
Turn everything up!
Turn up the fader for channel 1. That's the one that your microphone is plugged into. The 5th line from the top is a good spot for now. You can also turn up the volume for your headphones. About 12 o'clock is a good place to start. Step 4.
Select your mic!
Press the channel button for channel 1. That's the pink button here. And this will take us into the settings for this channel. Now all you need to do is press the microphone setting here and select the exact Rode microphone that you are using. I'm using the Rode Pod mic, so I'll need to select that here. If your mic doesn't appear on this list, you can press either condenser or dynamic, but if you aren't sure what kind of mic that you're using, send us an email at info@rode.com and we will try to help out. Step 5.
Adjust your gain!
In order to do this, we need to hit the pink button once again, but this time I'm going to press the level option. Now I'm going to start talking into the microphone at a natural volume and keep an eye on what's happening on the meter here. As you can see, I'm using the level controls here to adjust the gain so that my voice is hovering within the green area. Step 6.
Hit record!
Lastly, we just need to hit record. Hey guys, and welcome to my podcast about how to use the RØDECaster Pro straight out of the box. And I sound amazing. I can't wink. Double wink. Now all we need to do is just hit the record button once again to stop your recording. And there you have it, your first podcast with the RØDECaster Pro. Check out the links below to learn more about how to master your RØDECaster Pro and take your podcast to the next level. Happy podcasting.